Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel, Home is Where Our Heart Is. My name is Dane, author of the series of books Knowledge to Forage. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and thank you all for joining me here today, because I'm absolutely blessed to be spending my morning in an absolute sea of wild garlic. Look at this beautiful sea of flowering wild garlic. Ah, what an incredible wild plant. Wild garlic is incredible because it's beautiful, it's great for wildlife, and it has an incredibly powerful flavour that makes it great for using in many recipes. Today I'm going to be collecting some of this wild garlic, taking it home to Stelly, where she's going to be teaching us how to make wild garlic scones. So if you're interested, then come with me and we'll learn a little bit about wild garlic, take some home to Stelly and turn it into some scones. So before we take any wild plants home and eat them, we have to be absolutely sure that we know what they are. So let's quickly learn how to identify wild garlic. Firstly, when it's flowering, wild garlic has these beautiful round globe-like clusters of white flowers which have 6 white petals. You follow the long single green stem down to the bottom where you're met with the lance-shaped leaves. Lance-shaped simply means shaped like a lance, like the weapon they'd used in the medieval days to joust on horses. Now, these leaves have one single spine running down the centre, a very lightly faded spine, and at the very end they have a pointed tip. And when you squish wild garlic, it unmistakably smells of garlic. So once you've correctly identified the wild garlic, then you're free to enjoy all these beautiful health benefits and flavours and welcome them into your life. Now the whole plant is edible. The flowers, stem, leaves and roots, the bulbs and the flowers are actually especially pungent in flavour. You can even eat the unopened flower buds. Now the flowers are the strongest, most potent part, so we're going to collect some flowers, some stems and some leaves today. Basically a bouquet of wild garlic. Take that home to Stelly and she's going to chop it up and make it into some scones for lunch. So let's collect some wild and free food. And we're home with Stelly.
Hello everyone! Look at these delicious wild garlic and cheese scones. Miss Maddie helped me make these the other day and I'm going to show you how to make them today. For this recipe you will need some plain flour, some margarine spread, some milk, some baking powder, some cheese and some lovely wild garlic. Step 1. Add 1 cup of flour to your mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that together. 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine. 1, 2, 3. Rub the butter and the flour together to make breadcrumbs. If it feels really sticky, add in another half a cup of flour. Time to add in our wild garlic. I'm going to chop it up quite fine. Just a bunch, we don't need to go crazy, just a little bit. And that's going to give our scones a delicious taste. Add in the garlic, wild garlic. We'll grate about the same amount of cheese. You'll see on the wild garlic, if you leave them in water, they'll start to go to seed, and then you can plant the seeds in your garden. Pop a handful of cheese to the side, and then add the rest to your mix. Cheesy scones. Mix it all up together. add 150 ml of milk. We're using oat milk, but you can use normal cow milk or almond milk or any milk you like. Add it into your mix. And I'm going to use a spoon just to mix it all together, bring it all together. If it's a little sticky, then add another half a cup of flour. There it goes, half a cup. Mix it up again. Dust your surface with some flour, stop it sticking, and then we're gonna pop our mix on the surface, and then we're just going to gently squash it out until it's about the thickness of an inch. Okay, get your milk and your fingers and just smush it over. You could use a brush, but I can't find one. So this works just as well, actually. There we go. On some cheese. And chop into squares, or slices, or triangles. Or you could even get some cookie cutters and do circles or shapes, whatever you like. There we go. Pop your oven on 200 degrees Celsius and pop your scones in for 20 minutes. Garlic cheesy scones. And there we have it. Easy peasy cheesy garlic scones.
Wild garlic scones. Tastes fantastic with a little bit of pickle.
So good with pickle and fresh out the oven, nice and warm.
Yeah, great snack.
How does it taste?
Like cheesy garlic.
Cheesy garlic. Cheesy garlic in a sandwich. It's kind of like a cheese and pickle garlic sandwich.
Yeah.
But
it's so much easier to make than bread as well. Bread's nice, but a lot of fat. This, quick, easy, to the point. Delicious.
Super easy, super simple ingredients.
Yep, wild and free ingredients. Well, some of them. As always, it's been a pleasure. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell.
All those modern day things, so you can follow along with us and see what we're up to. There's always recipes being uploaded. There's always plant identification and poisonous plant and all sorts of information, wild nature,
There's
education.
Hundreds of videos on this channel, all completely free.
Yeah, so have a look through, scroll through, and thank you to all of our follow along foragers who've signed up on Ko-fi.
Yeah,
so one
awesome.
of the reasons we can do this is give the videos out for free is because we have people that support us through Ko-fi £5 a month, and in return you receive in your inbox a recipe each month with lots of nature education resources that I make up. And yeah, it's going really well.
Yeah, Stella makes these really cool educational worksheets based on all the beautiful things that Mother Nature can provide, and they're all colourful and nice and for all ages, and I like them very much.
Thank you. I'm glad you like them. That's
And
nice.
also, check out our awesome series of books, Knowledge to Forage, little one, big one, and Foraging, a complete guide for kids and families. But most importantly of all, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all next time.
Peace.